Christian apologetics is the practice of defending and explaining the Christian faith using reason and evidence. It addresses objections and clarifies misunderstandings about belief in God and Jesus Christ. It involves historical, philosophical, scientific, and moral arguments, showcasing the truth of Christianity and its reliability through evidence provided in Scripture. Apologetics equips believers to engage in meaningful conversations, clarifying misunderstandings and addressing objections with gentleness and respect, fostering thoughtful dialogue. Central to apologetics is the use of Scripture as a foundation. It emphasizes the importance of understanding biblical texts as they offer clarity and support for Christian beliefs. 1 Peter 3 verse 15 calls believers to be ready to give an answer for their hope. This encourages believers to engage lovingly with others while explaining their beliefs.